Harare Bulls, Milanta, Janishka. What's their 11 looking like at the moment? Shehzad, Zazai, Raza. Right, here we go. Ball one.
That's a good hit. But does it have enough? Yes, it does. Lovely. He should have listened. He should have listened. But how... Oh, he's missed. That's big. That is very big. Onto the roof. Onto the players' change room. Bull shot. 6 more runs. We were talking about how difficult it would be to get 15 off the final. They've got 14 with a ball to go. Courtesy Shabir Rahman. He can get another 6 for sure. 20 off the last over for Harare Bolts. They end up 120 for 4 in their 10.